All right, everybody, Rodney from SignalSheet, and I'm back with another video. Today, I want to talk about the power of AI and how it supports SignalSheet. What I have here is my sheet. I've talked a lot about this, and I'll continue talking about this because the sheet is so powerful. But what I want to share with you all is how I use the Smart Coach. The Smart Coach is a feature that comes with SignalSheet in premium mode. You can also get some of the Smart Coach features with the Pro version as well. But what I've told my ChatGPT here, where I run my Pro out of, my Smart Coach out of, you can use Claude, you can use Gemini as well, but I use ChatGPT Pro. I basically asked my smart coach, if it's there. I've cleared my sheet and I shared, my new watch list. I have some data from my sheet that I wanted to review, and I'm asking it to please quickly review and give me an overview of what it understands and share any key insights or thoughts. And then I've simply copy and pasted my dashboard and my watch list, right, from my sheet directly into ChatGPT, and I'm going to run it here, and let's see what Smart Coach says. Excellent. So Smart Coach is telling me it's online and ready. It's ready based on what I told it to do. It's reassessing, my current mode is AI only mode. Previously, I told it that I was looking for leaps, in general, and it's just confirming that I've rebuilt Signal Sheet function, the opportunity filter, which is good, and it's going to summarize and talk to me. So this is how Smart Coach works. You see that it's essentially an AI version of the sheet, right? It's the AI version of the sheet that you can run directly in ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, depending on where you initialize the prompt that I provide. And I have plenty of prompts that I also provide in the prompt guide as well that comes with premium. You can also purchase the prompt guide separately and use it, without the sheet if you prefer to do everything in AI. If you see my screen here, you see how Smart Coach has basically stepped through understanding everything that's going on. The VIX is currently elevated at 23.5. Today was a pretty volatile day. Of course, there's active, activity going on in the Middle East with the U.S. and some conflict there. The system is currently empty, but I have at least one active trade. It understands that I'm not over trading. It's looking at my watch list, which is very good. It even breaks it out based on what it understands from my watch list. It's now said that there's a cluster A, which is these companies listed here. It's confirmed what kind of companies these are, secular growth and infrastructure plays. It has a cluster B, which is high torque opportunities, Netflix and Wayfair. Wayfair is one that I love. They can produce large moves. Cluster C, which is defensive and cyclical, Walmart, Lowe's, Caterpillar, etc., right? Eli Lilly. Good companies, but not strong option, plays at the moment, which is good. Again, Signal Sheet is there to help you trade really less and not more. It really aims to try to help you control how you're trading. But anyway, it reconfirms my opportunity scores. I have several 10s on my sheet currently based on where the prices are, and I have one over 9, which is actually awesome. And the insight that it's giving me here is my sheet is telling me something subtle. Your best opportunities are clustered in tech and AI infrastructure, all right? It lists out the 4 that it really likes. The one thing it would flag, there's one name that sticks out, Wayfair. System gives it a 10, but business is cyclical, margin profit profile is unstable, consumer discretion at risk. It says it would personally treat Wayfair as a tactical opportunity, not a core lead. So that means basically it's telling me that if I were to trade this, I should do something in the short term, or maybe not in the short term, but buy maybe a leap, but plan to get out as soon as a particular price is hit. Not something that I hold on to, not something that I expect to build ownership wise. Again, Smart Coach is there to help me support what I'm doing and help me make decisions better, which is awesome. So this is doing exactly what I wanted to do. It says the best lead candidates from the sheets are AMD, Broadcom, and NVIDIA. Okay, excellent. And then it has a tier 2, which is secondary, right, for leaps. And then some opportunistic ones, which are, Cloudflare and Wayfair, based on, probably the strength of the companies compared to the other options that I have on my sheet currently, right? It says my current lead position. It gives me a kind of a breakdown of what this is. It is currently down 5%. This one expires January 15th of next year. It says it's normal. Leaps rarely move immediately. It says important things to watch: the underlying trend, time decay, earning cycles, right? Right now, the trade is perfectly healthy, right? Again, giving me the ability to be calm and think about what I'm doing. The big picture, my system is solid, right? Smart Coach recommendation, your watch list is already strong. The only things I might consider adding to my watch list, again, Signal Sheet here through Signal Coach, giving me ideas of things that I could add to my watch list. I'm probably going to move Meta and TSM and Amazon onto my sheet, score them, and see how they rank against the rest of my trades. One key insight, your system is natural selecting AI infrastructure plus growth platforms. That's exactly where the market leadership is. Excellent. So it's not coincidence. It's saying the scoring logic is working. Again, letting me know that my sheet is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. And then it goes on to ask me some questions, right? What am I looking for? Does it want me to, concentrate, 3 or 4 lead positions or diversify? Uh, the next step is for me to decide and move forward. How about I do that in the next video? If you like this, go to the next video, check it out. I'm going to go ahead and have more conversation with my smart coach, and I want to really start to show you all the power of SignalSheet as a framework. It's both the sheet, right? It's both the sheet, which is awesome by itself, but it gets supercharged. Its superpower is when you use it with AI. Let's explore more. SignalSheet. Let's go.